The next exercise is associer les salles ou les objets. We are going to associate the rooms and the objects avec les actions qui correspondent. So we are going to match. Now here are the names of the rooms in our house and these are the actions done. So we are going to associate what action is done in which place. So first, you may not be familiar with these words. First read these words along with me. So the first one, salle à manger. So this is the dining room, room of manger. Manger is to eat. So it is the dining room. Cuisine, it is the kitchen. Chambre, the bedroom. Salle de bain, bathroom. Salon is the living room. Escalier is the stairs. Balcon is the balcony. So note down these words. Salle à manger, the dining room. Cuisine, the kitchen. Chambre, the bedroom. Salle de bain, bathroom. Salon, the living room. Escalier, the stairs. Balcon, balcony. And now these are some of the actions that we do. Admirer la vue ou la rue. So admiring the view or the street. Admirer la vue ou la rue. Monter à pied. Monter, to climb. À pied, on foot. Faire une pizza. To make a pizza. Dormir. Dormir is to sleep or to rest. Se laver, to take a bath. Prendre le déjeuner, to take the lunch. Prendre le déjeuner. Regarder la télévision, to watch the television. So now you know what these words mean. So shall we try to match what action is done in which place? We'll begin with the first one. Salle à manger. Salle à manger. This is the dining room. So what would be done in the dining room? It is, see, take a look at all these options. So this is the correct option. Prendre le déjeuner. Prendre le déjeuner. You take lunch. So this is the answer for the first one. Prendre le déjeuner. The second one, cuisine. So cuisine is kitchen. Which of these actions corresponds to the kitchen? It is the third one. Faire une pizza. To make a pizza. So this would be the second answer. Faire une pizza. The third one, chambre. Chambre is the bedroom. So which of these actions would correspond to that? It is dormir. Dormir. Next one, salle de bain, the bathroom. So which of these actions corresponds to that? It is option 5, se laver. The fifth one, salon. Salon is the living room. So which of the other three actions corresponds to the living room? It is this one. Regarder la télévision. Regarder la télévision. So you watch the television in the living room. The next one, escalier. Escalier is the staircase. So which of these two? It is this. Monter à pied. To climb on foot. Escalier. Balcon is the balcony and this is the answer for that. From the balcony you can admirer la vue ou la rue. So you can admire the view or you can watch the street. So now you must be familiar with these words and these actions. So please remember these words. You can use this in conversations. If you are asked to write an essay about your home, These are the words that you would be using.